parts of the camera.
Let's talk about the front of the analog camera. We have some 30 parts that we are going to discuss. The first one is a shutter speed. Uh, it is a speed at which the shutter of the camera closes. A fast shutter speed creates a shorter exposure. The second one is shutter release button. Shutter release button. When the shutter button of camera is released, the camera will open to capture a picture and then close, allowing an exposure time as determined by the shutter speed setting. The next one is film advance lever. It is used to rotate the film inside the camera in order to take pictures. The fourth one, flame counter. It is an indicator that shows the number of frames that have moved through the camera. The next one is neck trap eyelet. It can help you to hold the camera easily. The next one is a hand grip. This can perfectly shape in the right hand and to be comfortable when held in the hand. The next one is a self-timer lever. A device on camera that gives a delay between pressing the shutter release and shutters firing. Next one is lens release button. The lens release button, it unlocks the lens mount and allows you to detach the lens. The next one is a hot shoe contact. A hot shoe contact, a mounting point on the top of a camera to attach a flash unit and other compatible accessories. The next one is a film rewind crank. A film rewind crank, an accessory for fast and convenient rewinding of the film. Next one is film rewind knob. Mechanism used to rewind the film back into the canister. The next one is a film speed window. It dictates how much light the film needs. A picture ring, a collar on the camera that can be rotated to increase or decrease the aperture. The next one is distance scale. How the focal distance, i.e., the distance from the image sensor to the point of focus in meters or feet. Focusing ring. The lens, the focusing ring is the lens that rotates to allow the photographer to focus the image. The next one is depth of field. It is a function on most DSLRs that allows you to see your depth of field through the viewfinder before you take a picture. The next one is multi-exposure lever. The multi-exposure lever also allows you to shoot overlay images. The next one is exposure measurement. It measures the intensity of light and indicate proper exposure. The next one is a viewfinder eyepiece. It allows you to see what's being photographed. And the next one is rewind fork. It engages the 35mm film canister to rewind the film. The next one is a film cartridge chamber. It holds the film and move motion picture film stock before and after it has been exposed in the camera. So the next one is a battery chamber lid. Cells of the void in the camera where the battery are located. Next one is tripod socket. It folds on the bottom of the camera and allows them to be securely attached to a tripod. The next one is a film guide reels. Regulate the position of a film drawn from a film cartridge chamber into a spool chamber. The next one is film socket. To guide the film through the camera from its canister. Next one is a film pressure plate. Hold the film on the plane and act as a brake, helping to hold the film steady while it is exposed. And the next one is a film rewind button. Press to release your roll of film before rewinding the film back into the canister. The next one is take up spool. Picks up the film in a camera after the film has been exposed. And the last one is film cartridge. Film cartridge confirming window. Indicates whether film is located in camera. So let's talk about the digital camera. In the digital camera, we have 18 parts. So the first one is built-in flash, a device that emits light momentarily. The next one is a flash button. It presents on cameras with a built-in pop-up flash. Bracketing button, used to vary exposure, flash level, white balance, or active lighting, or the ADL over a series of shots. The next one is an infrared receiver. Usually hides in the front of the right hand grip. Next one is a mountain mark. It lets you see and frame your object. The next one is built-in camera. Used to record audio for video clips. Lens release button unlocks the lens mount and allows you to detach the lens. The next one is a connector cover, a wrapped around cable protection solution that is flexible. The next one is a AF mode button. It is the function of camera that automatically focus on a subject. The next one is a focus mode selector. It is used to switch between AF and MF mode. The next one is a meter coupling lever. It is spring-loaded and it holds the tab against the AI ridge. The next one is a mirror. It is positioned at 45-degree angle to reflect light from the lens to the viewfinder. The next one is USB connector, transferring photos from a digital camera to a computer. The next one is AV connector, used to display on TV that have composite video inputs. The next one is a HDMI mini pin connector, used in portable devices such as a DSLR cameras and tablets. The second to the last is a accessory terminal. It is used for attaching terminal flash units. The last one is connector for external microphones. It is 3.5 mm headphone port. So let's talk about the back of a digital camera. The number one is a viewfinder eyepiece. Allows you to see what's being photographed. The next one is a rubber eye cup. Provide mechanical protection to the viewfinder optics. The next one is delete button. Use it to delete one or multiple photos. The next one is playback button. It used to view the stored photos. The next one is monitor. It views the menus and camera settings, playback capture image and videos. So the next one is menu button. It is used to access the camera's internal settings. The next one is speaker. Allows you to play audio and video files. The next one is main command dial. Lets you to adjust shutter speed. The next one is live view switch. You're seeing what the camera lens is seeing and what the sensor is recording. The next one is movie record button. It is a movie record button to start recording a video. The next one is multi-selector. Its selection frames by pressing up, down, left, right side of the multi-selector. The next one is memory card slot cover. Can be removed by lowering the interior latch. Next one is OK button. It is used primarily for selecting menu items. The next one is focusing selector lock. It allows you to focus on the image or object you are capturing. The last one is info button. Cycle through the camera's various information display. And that's all to this discussion, and thank you.